Honorable from Kwalmanyang Juk, the old ministers and attendants, good morning. The role of the Minister of Interior has the acting Minister of the Interior. I wanted to emphasize the role of security that is played for the growth of business. Those of business, they need protection. Protection for their life, protection for their goods. And I think the development in the country concerns all of us. In the old laws, sometimes somebody in a duty has a minister, has a general, they are not involved in the business. Because some people are talking about the interference. People they will just go in using their ranks, using their positions, and also to corrupt the laws. I think also this is the one thing people to see the accountability in the country. The other one, Comrade Queen is talking here, also the case of delay of salaries. The income people talking about the petrol, the oil, also taxes. This is our main income in the country. But sometimes they are delayed. And this delay is affecting us. As a unit, people talking here about the traffic. The traffic, we know there are challenges. And when we call somebody, we will arrest him. And when we didn't call somebody, is also we will just see health cooperation between them and those who are to be secure on the roads. Because this is a situation. In the border, now I'm acting minister, people are come to me to be referred to the border, to the airport, to the market, where they will go and cooperate with our citizens for daily life. But you will be aware these people are cheaters, or they are just have their own, but the situation forces these soldiers to act, and even these traders, they are cooperating with them in other time. I will not dwell much about what is going on, but I wanted to assure you we are committed. We are committed and also to secure our citizens, business, people. Also, we want to ask Comrade Atong, because this accountability to the seniors, people who in the government not to involve themselves in the trade, because they are corrupting the system. For our time when I was a student in Sudan, although we are accusing them, they are just waiting in South Sudan to take things. That is why we are fought with them. But they are not allowed to make business in market. But now it's too open. But we have difficulties in other laws, we have other challenges. But we will not deny that. Also, you business people, it's better also to trust us. What I mean to trust is also when somebody comes to you, don't cooperate with him. And after that you will go and claim. Some people are influent people, they will take soldiers. And even you will see, the old people are taking soldiers to guide them in that marketing or in their houses. It is their request, because this is a situation is fearing them to be guided in the marketplace. But lastly, is to be allowed as a blame to the ministries or to other those who are concerned. For my close remark, it's good to identify also the difficulty that this country was in, and this is one of the difficulties. I think we will continue, those who are concerned, the technical people, also to solve all this situation, and after that, Southern Sudan will go ahead while we are identifying our weaknesses. And thank you.